Everyone around you has bad habits. Everyone around you does not want to wake up for Fajr. Everyone around you is cheap and nobody is pushing you to become more generous. Then guess what? You might as well ask yourself, is it really the kind of environment I want to be in? So always ask yourself, am I in the right environment? Always ask yourself, how can I have friends around me who will inspire me to be stronger? Again, we want strength in the deen and in the dunya. Number one. And number two, when it comes to us as believers who want to be strong, we should remember that spiritual strength, having a heart, a believer's heart, is way more important than the physical outside. We think about strength as muscles, working out, and that's all good. But wallahi, the strength starts from here. The strength starts not when we push, and bench 200 pounds, but wallahi, when we push that blanket and to wake up for Fajr. That's when strength starts. Strength is not when we can shut a whole door or carry a whole weight. It's really when we can shut our eyes from seeing something haram.
Watch the full video on our channel, Al Huda Mosque.